Namaskar my dear students. In this video I will explain autofilter and conditional formatting. So to do this autofilter and conditional formatting you need data which has duplicate values or which has some numerical values to perform autofilter. So I will give you the clear idea about this, how to do that. So first let me explain what is autofilter. Autofilter means if you want to display data out of given data set according to your condition. Suppose here I have entered this data. Let me set it properly. So first these rows. Okay. So now I have entered records of 20 students for house-wise activity. 4 house activities are given and here they are ranking with the activity names. So basically I want to find out from red house who are the winners and in which activity they won the prizes. I want to check that record. Rest all rows will be hidden. So in that case I will use autofilter. So autofilter is used in that case whenever you want to display some data based on your condition or based on your requirement. Here our requirement is like that. I want to see the record of students who have secured the rank in particular activity from each house or particular house, so that we can perform with autofilter. How? First of all you have to click on data, then you have to click on filter. Filter option is available here in sort and filter group. Now one small drop down will come here. So simply you can click over here and you can pick the specific house. Suppose I want to select blue house. So these are the names from blue house. Adya Sharma, she is secured position in yoga. Devanshu Sharma also got prize in pot decoration. Kritika Yadav got prize in this. Dimple got prize in this. And Shubham Kumar got prize in yoga. So like this, yeah, if I want to see or check results from red house. So from red house you can see Anushka Sharma, Anshuman Kevar, Garima and all. So these are displaying they have secured the prizes or got the prizes in these activities. Similarly, you can check out for multiple houses also. I want to see green and red. So here green and red is there. So accordingly you can display the green and red house data. So they won the prizes in this one. So similarly you can find out for 3 houses. Just click on that particular house from that arrow. You can display those data. So that is called auto filter. Similarly, if you want to check this data according to activity. Suppose I want to check data for yoga competition. Who got prizes in yoga? So remove all, then click on yoga. So when you click, there are 5 students who got prizes in yoga activity. So like this you can perform. They are from this house, red house, blue house, green house. So blue house 2 students, green house 2 students. So like you can perform autofilter. This is called autofilter. Whenever you want to check out data according to your conditions. Now second part is conditional formatting. Now it is little bit different than autofilter. In autofilter we have seen that it is hiding all data which is not coming under your criteria. But what to do when you want to highlight few of them which are according to your condition, or according to your condition you want to highlight those data. What you will do, you can use conditional formatting. How? Just select your records. Here I have selected these records. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can, okay, watch it completely. Okay, now see, these 20 records I have selected. Let me do little bit less. Okay. Here actually, okay. Now see, I have performed auto filter. Now if I want to remove it, just click on filter once again, data filter. This option you will get on home tab also from this sort and filter. From here also you can perform the same task. Now let me apply conditional formatting. So I have selected data. Now after selecting, go to conditional formatting. It is available in home, then styles. So click on conditional formatting and select highlight cell rules. Now here equal to. So I want that those who are from yellow house, their record should be yellow color background and black color text. So go to custom format from here, pick fill option, then select yellow color. So yellow background and font color will be black, automatic color only. So now you can see in this, it is showing yellow as a yellow mark. So that you can find out these are from yellow houses. Similarly, you can perform for red house. Again, I will do the same. Highlight cell rules. Here you can check rules for greater than, less than, between. That also we will do in next session, in this video only. But let me show first this red. Now similarly, for red I want to apply red color. So go to fill, apply red color, and font color I want to use, that is automatic only. So here you can see it is coming in red color. Similarly for blue, again click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equals to, then blue. So for blue color, apply blue color, fill, then this color we can take blue color, this one, font color will be black only. And last one is green, highlight cell rules, equal to green. So here it will apply the formatting as per your requirement. Whatever you have applied in the selection, that value will be displayed according to that format. So now you can see red, yellow, blue, green. So accordingly. Similarly, you can apply formatting in data also. So what happens here? It is just applying and highlighting those rows which are coming under your category or coming under your criteria. Now let me apply some filter on numeric values. Suppose in activity, students score the marks. So here, out of 100, marks are given 98, 97, 95, 85, 99, 96, 95, 94, 96, 90, 93, 85, 94, 92, like that. Let me enter. Let me copy this only, so it will save our time. Okay, only this much. So now data is ready. Now what I want to do, I want to check, oh here it is just generated one series. Okay, so let me do copy paste then. Copy. Okay. Control C, then Control V. Now here you can see that auto filter. First let me perform auto filter. I want to see the records who scored more than 95. So simple, just click on this column, go to filter and apply filter there. Now select number filters and select greater than. I want to see the record of greater than 95. Okay. Now you can see those who got the marks out of 100 more than 95, those values are appeared. Similarly, number filters, I want to see less than. Those who scored less than 95 and greater than 90. So it will display the records between 90 to 95. So these are the records from 90 to 95. Similarly, you can perform top 10. So if you want to see top 10 items, these are top 10 who scored the top 10 marks. So similarly, you can perform different types of. Suppose you want to see top 3, then top 3 also displayed. These are the top 3 from all activities. So likely you can perform auto filter according to a criteria and condition. Now let me perform conditional formatting on the same. So for conditional formatting, first activate all the data from filter. Now select this column. I want to display a result who scored more than 98. So select greater than equal to 98, should be in blue color. So this blue color I am selecting over here and applying that. So here you can see all the rows which have more than 98 or more than 95, they have available in this blue color format. So here it will not hide the data, but autofilter will hide the data and only display those values which are according to your conditions. Then next is conditional formatting according to this value 85 to 90. So you can highlight from this cell greater than. Okay, first select the data. After that, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell, and here between. So between 85 to 90. I want to apply formatting with green color and font color will be yellow. Let me check how the output will be. Okay, it's good. So likely you can display the records. So there are major differences between autofilter and conditional formatting is that in autofilter you can display only those data whatever condition you have given, and in conditional formatting all data will be available, but just those data which you have selected that will be highlighted according to your formatting. So that's all from this video. I hope you understood very well the concept. So do the practice and send your photos on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.